Ever had that perfect family gathering or a wedding photo, but someone important was missing? Maybe a relative living abroad, a newborn baby, or even a loved one who has passed away? Usually, you'd need professional Photoshop skills to fix this. But today, I'm going to show you how to do it in seconds using ChatGPT. No design skills required. First things first, you need the ChatGPT app. Download it from your app store and log in with your account. If you want the best results for image editing, the Plus version, which uses the latest DALL-E models, is your best friend here.
Now, let's get to the magic. Open a new chat, tap the upload icon, select your main group photo and the individual photo of the person you want to add. Pro tip: try to use a photo of the missing person where the lighting looks somewhat similar to the group photo for the most realistic result.
This is the most important part, the prompt. You need to tell the AI exactly where to put them. Use a prompt like this. I have uploaded 2 photos. Please take the person from the second photo and naturally integrate them into the first group photo. Place them. Match the lighting, shadows, and clothing style so it looks like a single, authentic photograph.
Now, hit enter. Wait a few seconds, and then look at that. ChatGPT's AI analyzes the background and the people to blend them in. If it's not perfect on the first try, don't worry. You can just chat back. Tell it, make the person a little taller, or adjust the brightness on their face to match the sun.
It's a beautiful way to create memories that never happened in person, but live in our hearts. Just a small reminder, always use this tool ethically, especially when dealing with photos of people who have passed away. If this helped you bring a family photo together, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI life hacks. See you in the next one.